Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a table in Canva. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, let's just go to Elements from the options at the left. Let's scroll down until you see the Table section. In line with it, we can click on See All and you can select a color that you like for your table. I'm just gonna select this one, and if you want to add more column, you can select any of the column at the top and you should be able to see this 3 dots at its top. You can click on it and select Add Column, and you have successfully added a column. Now to add a row, do the same. At the very left hand side, you can select any space and you can then click on this 3 dotted icon and select Add Row, and it will add a row. To add text on your table, simply double click on a space and you can add in a text, and at the top you can then select your text and change the font by clicking on it at the top. Select a font you like and you can then adjust its size like this, and the color and all the other adjustments you can do at the top. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.